so scared because I'm sure they're going to break that door anytime now. Alam nyo, ginawa ko, tilagay ko yung cat tray, yung double deck na bed, pinush ko sa door para hindi sila makapasok. I'm just a regular government employee. Really, I do not understand that entire, gamut of whatever it is that is happening politically. I don't. I'm just a worker in the office of the vice president. So I don't know why they're doing this to me.
Because in this facility, the lock is outside. I mean, people can just go back. So we were parang surprised. What's that about? Kasi matutulog na kami, di ba? Tapos yun, suddenly they all came in, PNP, and then some other person in parang uniform. Lahat-lahat po sila dumating. And then they said they want to read me an order.
I would not have pushed that